Welcome to Hermes Desktop. This is the main agent workspace where conversations, project context, and tools come together in one focused application. The design keeps the agent anchored to visible work. Along the left side, the session rail keeps navigation close at hand, letting you start fresh work, search the history, or return to an existing conversation without losing context. The center pane is the working conversation. Prompts, live tool activity, and the agent's final response appear here in the order they happen. That gives you a readable record of what happened. On the right, Hermes keeps the active project tree visible. That matters because you can follow the real files and folders the agent is reading, creating, or changing while it works. You never have to guess which workspace is active. Across the top are practical controls for layout, audio, keyboard behavior, settings, and sidebars. The conversation stays visible while you adjust them, so the current work never disappears from view. At the bottom, the status bar makes the operating context explicit, including the gateway, active project, permission mode, version, and current commit. From the status bar, the cursor returns to the composer, where each new piece of work begins. The composer keeps the task boundary clear. Add project context, attach supporting material, choose the active model, and send one focus goal to the agent. The visible controls make context and model choices part of the task record, rather than hidden setup. Moving left, Session Search provides a fast way to recover earlier conversations without leaving the desktop or losing the workspace already in view. Below it, sessions remain grouped beneath the active project. So the conversation history stays connected to the files and branch that gave it meaning. The branch row makes parallel work visible as structure instead of mixing every experiment into one undifferentiated list. Opening a real saved session restores its complete transcript and the result produced there, letting you inspect what happened without reconstructing the task from memory. That continuity turns separate conversations into durable project history, with previous decisions and outputs still available when the work resumes. Hermes then returns to a clean session, ready for a different goal while the saved conversation remains safely stored in the project list. From saved history, the tour returns to the composer controls and prepares a fresh task. With the clean composer visible, the plus button opens the attachment menu. Files, images, and whole folders can be added as explicit context before a turn begins, making it clear what information the agent is allowed to use. I close the menu without attaching anything, so the project remains unchanged. Next, the model selector exposes the active provider, model, and reasoning level at the exact point where a task would be sent. Keeping those choices visible prevents the execution setup from becoming an invisible assumption. I close the selector without changing it. The profile menu then shows how Hermes packages a model, reusable skills, and a persistent soul file into an agent identity that can be selected again for repeated work. A profile is more than a label. It preserves the operating style and capability bundle expected for a particular kind of task. After closing profiles, the cursor opens capabilities. This workspace is the control center for everything Hermes may use during a task, with reusable skills, callable tools, connected MCP servers, and discovery kept visible as separate categories. The separation makes the agent's reach inspectable before any work begins, which is especially useful when a project needs a narrow and predictable toolset. Inside capabilities, the cursor moves from skills to tools. The tools tab lists callable operations that connect the agent's reasoning to real local work. Next comes MCP, the area for external tool servers that extend Hermes through a standard interface. Each connection remains visible and independently manageable, so an integration does not disappear into the background after it is added. The tour then opens Browse Hub, where additional capabilities can be discovered when a workflow genuinely requires them. This keeps expansion deliberate. New behavior is added through a visible choice instead of appearing unexpectedly inside a task. Returning to skills brings the focus back to learned reusable workflows. Usage counts help surface the skills that matter most in day-to-day work, while the tab structure keeps tools, servers, and discovery distinct. With that capability model established, the cursor moves toward messaging, where Hermes connects the same agent workspace to external communication platforms. Messaging opens as a dedicated gateway workspace, and the platform list makes every available connector explicit. Discord is selected for inspection and appears in an unconfigured disabled state, which is important because simply opening the page does not activate anything. A search field at the top narrows the list when many connectors are available, keeping discovery manageable as more services are added. Clear labels matter because every service carries different risks. Scanning the options shows that Hermes can work with chat, email, SMS, smart home, and enterprise messaging platforms without pretending they all share the same configuration. The required section separates essential credentials from optional policy controls, so it is immediately clear what must exist before the connector can operate. Recommended controls add allow lists and related restrictions that help define which users may reach the agent. The advanced area stays collapsed until a deployment actually needs its less common options, keeping the normal setup readable. Lower on the page, the enable switch makes activation an explicit decision rather than a side effect of viewing or editing the form. Finally, the save control creates a second deliberate boundary. Even prepared changes do not become configuration until they are saved. Together, those steps make the messaging workflow auditable. A connector can be inspected, configured, restricted, enabled, and saved as separate actions, which reduces accidental exposure and keeps authorization visible. Nothing is enabled or saved during this tour. The page is explored read-only, and the existing Hermes setup remains untouched. Next, Hermes opens artifacts and allows the live library index to load. The workspace visibly moves from configuration into a searchable record of outputs produced across sessions. Once loaded, the All filter combines images, files, and links in one result set, giving a broad view of what is accumulated. The Images filter exposes the amount of visual output already indexed and provides a direct path back to generated screenshots, diagrams, or other media. Moving to Files separates documents, code, and other saved outputs so they can be retrieved without searching through every conversation. The Links filter does the same for external references that appeared during agent work. These categories are useful because an artifact is not just content, it also carries context about where it came from and why it was produced. By keeping each type visible and countable, Hermes turns scattered session outputs into a navigable library rather than leaving them buried inside individual transcripts. Page controls keep that library manageable as it grows, showing the current page and wider results set. The refresh control rebuilds the visible index when new artifacts arrive, so created outputs can appear without restarting the desktop. Moving into the results reveals the traceability detail. Each artifact card retains its source path and originating chat. That link back to the producing session makes the library useful as an audit trail, not merely a gallery of disconnected files. The project tree remains visible beside the artifact workspace, anchoring those outputs to the same local files the agent can inspect. Finally, the cursor points to terminal and logs. Those tabs provide operational visibility inside Hermes, allowing command activity and diagnostic output to be examined without leaving the desktop application. Together, these surfaces show both the outputs and the operational context that produced them. Settings opens from the top bar as a workspace, with each category retained in the sidebar. The chat section controls how conversations behave and how responses are presented, keeping interaction preferences separate from project content. Appearance follows, covering theme and visual density without changing the agent's permissions, model, or project data. Presentation choices stay separate from execution. Workspace settings then define how projects and their files are handled, bringing file-related defaults into one visible place. The cursor continues into memory and context, where Hermes exposes the boundary between durable information and the temporary material used for the current task. These controls determine what can carry across sessions and what should remain limited to the active conversation. By placing them in a named category, Hermes makes persistence a configurable policy instead of an invisible feature. The result is a clearer separation between interface preferences, project handling, and the information an agent may remember over time. Within memory and context, the central question is balance. Preserve useful continuity without allowing the working context to become unbounded or mysterious. The next category, voice, manages spoken interaction independently from the main written workflow. Voice can be configured when it adds value, while typed conversations continue to work without it. Keyboard shortcuts then exposes faster navigation for users who prefer the keyboard, with the available commands listed for discovery instead of requiring them to be memorized. The About page closes the settings tour by identifying the running Hermes Desktop build. Version 0.18.2 and the update status are visible here, allowing the installed software to be checked without installing or changing anything. Settings can show the current build, presentation choices, context policy, and interaction options while keeping them separated from live project actions. I close settings and return to the main workspace, leaving every category unchanged. The next stop is the Agent's Monitor, which shows delegated work in a dedicated live view. This session currently has no subagents, and that empty state is itself useful because it confirms that no hidden workers are running. Beside it, the cron shortcut is the entry point for recurring jobs. The tour points to that boundary but leaves all schedules untouched. In this recording, the schedule panel does not open, so there is no claim that any job was inspected, edited, or launched. The cursor moves across the unchanged workspace to emphasize the difference between observing automation and authorizing it. No schedule is triggered, no background task is started, and the visible project remains exactly as it was. That separation matters because recurring automation can have effects long after a session ends. A trustworthy desktop should make the entry point visible while requiring a deliberate action before anything runs. With the tour complete, Hermes returns toward a normal task workflow. The temporary automation recap is dismissed, and the workspace transitions back to a fresh session where one bounded read-only demonstration can be performed safely. With automation untouched, the tour moves into one bounded read-only task in the main workspace. A clean session opens, and the blank composer becomes the starting point for the demonstration. The cursor focuses the text field, and the prompt is typed character by character with real keyboard input rather than being injected as a finished block. The request asks Hermes for a 3-point project review checklist while explicitly forbidding file changes and command execution. That wording establishes both the goal and the safety boundary before the message is sent. When the prompt is submitted, Hermes creates a new session inside the same visible project context and begins generating the answer live. The request remains on screen while progress appears in the transcript so the viewer can follow the turn from instruction to result. This is not a mock interface or a pre-recorded response. The agent is allowed to reason about the project, but it is not authorized to edit files, run commands, or change the environment. A bounded prompt like this is a practical way to inspect an unfamiliar repository before granting broader authority as the response develops. Hermes keeps the request, progress, and eventual answer together in one continuous conversation, preserving exactly what was asked and how the task was constrained. The live answer is now ready and remains visible in the transcript. It returns 3 practical checks: understand the requested scope, inspect the project before editing, and decide how the eventual work should be verified. That result demonstrates the core Hermes loop: give the agent a bounded goal, watch the work unfold, and keep the output attached to the session. Response controls remain beside the completed turn, making follow-up and review available without breaking the visible conversation. Moving left shows that the new session has already been named and stored automatically beneath the active project, so the result can be recovered later without manual filing. The cursor then moves through the status bar. Gateway Ready confirms that the local Hermes service is available. The active project label identifies the exact workspace supplying context, which reduces the risk of reasoning against the wrong folder. The mode indicator keeps the current execution posture visible, helping the user understand how much autonomy the session has. Finally, version and commit details identify the running desktop build, making the environment auditable when behavior needs to be reproduced or reported. Because each label stays on screen, these details can be checked during work rather than reconstructed afterward. These controls are compact, but together they answer 4 operational questions at all times. Is the service ready? Which project is active? What execution mode is in force? And which software build is running? The completed answer stays visible above them, linking system state to the real task that just finished. With those details visible, the tour closes by bringing the whole workspace together. Hermes Desktop makes agent work observable without forcing users into a terminal. Sessions preserve history. The project tree keeps files visible, capabilities expose skills and tools, messaging remains explicit, artifacts retain traceability, and settings separate interface choices from execution policy. The prompt and response remain together in the saved session, ready for follow-up. That is the tour. One native workspace, one bounded request, and a result that can be reviewed or continued without losing the evidence of how it was produced.